So here 35. Bipul here 21, 22. Then Udita, then Karma here 13, 14. Shweta,
Yes, sir.
you draw one table. Sukanto,
Yes, sir.
you draw one table with one, two. First column is very broad column, then two columns. First column is broad column, and then second, then two columns. Okay. First column you write the particulars. Say you write say rupees sale. First column you write on the top of the first column you should write per unit. Okay. And on the top of second column you should write 10,000 units. Sushmita. Yeah, they write 42, 43. Have you written? On the top of the first column, on the top of the first, beyond particulars, the first column you should write per unit, and the second column you should write reserve. Reserve, here it is 40, then 41, then Oghur here 40, then Oghur also 41, then Gabriel, this would write 30, Gabriel is 31, then Ronit Rawat, Ronit Rawat, you have to write 34 and 35, Vishal Jamatia, Vishal Jamatia, Vishal Jamatia, here you 35, 36, then Aditi Shingo, Aditi Singh. Aditi Singh. Here it is 37, 38. On the top of the first column, you should write particulars in broad column. Then on the top of next column, you should write per unit. And on the last column, you should write 1000 units. Okay? Sukanto,
Yes, sir.
particulars per unit and 10,000 units. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Have you written? Seta,
Yes, sir.
have you written?
Yes, sir. Sir, 10,000 units, not 1,000 units.
10,000.
Okay, sir.
10,000 units. Okay? Have you written?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Rajat. Rajat. Rajat here is 36. Therefore, Rajat is 37. Then say sale per unit, you say 100 rupees. And then for 10,000 rupees, what would be? Mohima. Mohima. Mohima here, it is 37. Therefore, Mohima here will be 38. Joyraj. Joyraj. Joyraj, what's the roll number?
Sir, 29.
29, okay. Joyraj. Joyraj 26, then 27. Have you written per unit 100? Then for 10,000, what would be there? 10,000, and that is
10 lakh.
no 10,000. This is 10 lakh. Okay. Okay. Then variable cost, say per unit 60. Then 60 into 10,000. Okay. That's 6 lakhs. Do you get the point? For 10,000 units. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Then you write contribution. Per unit what comes? Sushmita?
40.
And for 10,000 units what comes?
4 lakh.
4 lakh. Okay. Then you write fixed costs in the column of 10,000 units, because fixed cost you have to deduct from the all units. Okay? Contribution. Then where should you write? Under 4 lakh, 1 lakh you write. Then you get profit. Profit for 10,000 units, how much?
3 lakh.
3 lakh. Then you write what is PV ratio? PV ratio equal to Shukanto,
Yes, sir.
PV ratio equal to
Change in profit by change in sale or
then
contribution by
no,
sale.
write C by S.
Yes, sir. Contribution by sale.
C by S equal to Susmita equal to
4 lakh divided by 10 lakh.
you need not do that. You may do the per unit figure also. It
Okay, sir.
comes same, but you should write with the per unit figure. Okay,
Okay, sir.
50 by 100, that is 4 by 10. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Mommy. Mommy up to this 35. Then here, mommy 36. Then Monisha Deborah. Monisha here 44. Here 45. Then Rajdeep here 10 only. Therefore you have to write 11 only. So what is PV ratio?
40% or 0.4.
4 by 10 or 40%? 4 by 10 into 100, 40%. Clear to everybody? Shukanto,
Yes, sir.
it is clear?
Yes, sir.
C by S equal to 40 by 100 equal to 4 by 10 or 40%. Then I ask you, how do you find it sale at break-even point?
F by PV.
Fixed cost by PV ratio. That is equal to, you do it.
10 lakh.
Eh? Fixed cost by PV ratio. What is the amount? Sushmita?
2,50,000.
Do you get the point, Sushmita?
Yes, sir.
F by PV. F equal to 1 lakh divided by 4 by 10 equal to 1 lakh into 10 by 4 equal to rupees 2,50,000. Is it not? Say, I want to say break-even point sale in units. Break-even sales in units. How do you find it, Sukanto? Sushmita?
Fixed cost by contribution.
Per unit. Fixed cost
Yes.
by contribution per unit. A divided by C. Do you get the point, Sukanto?
Yes, sir.
F divided by C. Therefore, 1 lakh divided by 40 equal to 2500 units. 2,500 units. Is it not? Sita,
Yes, sir.
did you find it?
Yes, sir.
Break-even point sale in units equal to fixed cost by contribution per unit. F by C. F equal to 10,000, 1 lakh divided by 40 equal to 2500 units. Ogor,
Yes, sir.
do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Trinoy, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
A by C, that is fixed cost by contribution per unit, equal to 1 lakh divided by 40 equal to 2,500 units. The break-even sales equal to rupees 2,50,000 or 2,500 units. Then say I ask you, what is the sale required? Sudeep Sil. Here is the 26, 27. What is the sales required to earn profit of rupees 2 lakh? What is the required sales for profit of rupees 2 lakh? How do you find it? Sushmita,
Profit plus fixed cost, then uh, uh,
sale equal to Sushmita.
yes, sir.
You should be clear. Every day I am PV ratio equal to contribution by sale. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
You do it somewhere. PV equal to C by S. Then you multiply crosswise. S into PV ratio equal to C. Can you write it?
Yes, sir.
Then S equal to C by PV. Can you write it?
Yes.
Therefore, you write sale equal to C by PV. Contribution, total contribution divided by PV ratio. What is the meaning of contribution? Contribution minus fixed cost equal to profit. Therefore, you may write contribution equal to fixed cost plus profit. Sukanto,
Yes, sir.
do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Contribution minus fixed cost equal to profit, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, contribution equal to fixed cost plus profit.
Plus profit. Yes.
Then you write fixed cost plus profit A plus P divided by PV ratio. You may write Sukanto,
Yes, sir.
A is equal to C by PV ratio equal to A plus P by PV ratio. What is A here?
1 lakh
What is profit required?
40,000.
No, I require.
2 lakh.
2 lakh. I ask that what is the sales target to earn profit of rupees 2 lakh. Therefore, 1 lakh plus 2 lakh divided by 4 by 10. Is it not? That is 3 lakh into 4 by 10 means 3 lakh into 10 by 4. That is what is the figure?
7,50,000.
7,50,000. Rupees 7,50,000.
Yes,
Or
rupees
if you have
7,000.
to express in units, then what you have to read? Total contribution or total contribution divided by contribution per unit. Is it not? Divided by F plus P divided by contribution per unit equal to F means 1 lakh plus 2 lakh divided by contribution per unit means 40. 3 lakh divided by 40. Then that is how much units? 7500 units.
7,500.
Units. Okay. Do you get the point? Everybody clear? Is it clear to everybody? Bipul? Bipul is not responding. Joyraj?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then Eltanis, is it clear? Eltanis,
Sir, Aryan having problem.
কি
He
problem?
can't join. He can't join the class, sir. His
Oh,
account having problem.
oh, that is the thing. Trinoy, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand clearly? হ্যাঁ আসছি আমি তোমার কাছে। Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Then you see one thing. You observe. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, for this sum, for the earlier sum later on. For the earlier sum, what is margin of safety? What is margin of safety for that cell? What is margin of safety then?
7,50,000.
Minus
Sale
write-
minus break even.
point, sale at break even point. 7,50,000 minus rupees 2,50,000.
No, sir. 10 lakh minus 2,50,000. That is 7,50,000.
Oh, the money from the given figure. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. From the given figure, if you have to find out the margin of safety, then sale at selected activity 10 lakh minus sale at break even point 2,50,000, it is 7,50,000. Okay. Margin of safety equal to sale at selected activity minus sale at break even point. Now you see one graph. You need not see today the sum. I will discuss it next day. In this sum, here you write the cell. On x-axis you measure the cell and on y-axis you measure the profit. Do you get the point? Here you measure the sales, say in rupees. In y-axis you measure the profit. You draw the graph, x-axis and y-axis. Do you get the point? Sushmita,
Yes, sir.
you draw x-axis, y-axis, and then you may get profit like this, profit line. Profit line would be, it would start from not 0 point, but from the point below the 0 point. It is the starting prime from this, then you may go up. This is the profit line. Have you drawn the figure, Sita?
Yes, sir.
This profit starts from the negative side of your axis, is it not? This below the 0 point, it is known as negative on y-axis, and it is the positive side. Here, the profit line starts from the negative point. Why? It is 0 point. It does not start from 0 point. It starts from negative point. Why, Sushmita?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Because you don't know how to think. It is not of knowing, it is of thinking.
Sir, before selling a specific amount of means production, the company may not gain profit.
Oh, no. If the sale is 0, what is your profit?
0.
0. তাই
Sorry, negative.
কোনটা সত্যি? কেন নেগেটিভ?
Sir, fixed cost negative তাই?
ফিক্সড কস্ট নেগেটিভ না, সেল 0 হলো, if sale is 0, then also you are to bear the fixed cost, is it not? ফিক্সড কস্ট নেগেটিভ নয়। ধরো তুমি একটা you are carrying on one candle manufacturing in Agartala. In this month, in December, you say you are not going on production and no sale. Still, you are to bear the rent of this room, is it not? Sushmita,
Yes, sir.
fixed cost negative na kintu. Fixed cost is positive. But you have to bear it even when your sales is 0. You get the point, Sushmita?
Yes, sir.
তুমি ছবি দেখে বলে দিচ্ছিলে ফিক্সড কস্ট নেগেটিভ। ফিক্সড কস্ট নেগেটিভ না। দেয়ারফর সেল যদি 0 হয়, তোমার লস প্রফিট কত হয়? সেই মাসে you are to pay rupees 2000 per month as rent. If in the December month, if your sale is 0, what would be your profit? সুস্মিতা চুপ করে আছো কেন? You carry on one candle manufacturing in Agartala by hiring one room as rent, and for that you have to pay rupees 2000. In December, you have stopped your production. Then what is your profit?
Sir, profit তো কিছুই হবে না, কিন্তু ওই 2000 টা আমার bear করতে হবে।
The profit কত?
0
0. Is it?
minus 2000?
Minus 2000. 0 na. It is not 0, it is minus 2000. Therefore, this profit starts from 0 figure. And these 2000 depicts fixed cost. Fixed cost is negative, not negative. Profit is negative. And this negative profit depicts the amount of fixed cost. How far negative? The amount of fixed cost. Is it not?
Sir,
Sukanto?
why can't we tell this one loss in case of telling profit, negative profit?
It is loss. Loss 2000 and profit minus 2000 একই কথা রে বাবা। বলো না কে বারণ করেছে তোমাকে? কেউ যদি বলে প্রফিট মাইনাস 2000, কেউ যদি বলে লস 2000, একই কথা তো নাকি? But
Yes, sir.
here we draw profit line. Therefore we have to say in terms of profit. Is it not? This is not loss line. This is profit line. Do you get the point, Sukanto?
Yes, sir.
Therefore we have to say the profit is minus 2000. Do you get the point?
Yes, sir.
This line is not the loss line. This line is the profit line. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shweta,
Yes, sir.
do you understand why the profit starts from the negative side of the y-axis?
Yes, sir.
Because if sale is zero, say here sale is zero, but the profit is minus something. This minus something depicts the amount of fixed cost. Is it not? Do you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Then next day we will try to have some sums on it. Okay? Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.